today. So, I've been checking for the facilities. So, napansin ko na ayos naman yung ating facilities ngayon, malinis at kompleto yung mga tools and equipments na gagamitin natin. So, before we start, I would like first to check your attendance. So, when they put your name here and up and sign with your signature. So, thank you very much. And then, after the attendance, so I will now proceed with the learner's profile form. So, since you have signed the attendance and now you are officially enrolled in the Fish Capture NC2 program. So, congratulations. And now, the next step is I will give you the data gathering instrument. This will be answered in just 10 minutes only. Thank you very much. And now, since you answer this data gathering instrument, we will now proceed to your assessment. So, sa assessment, dito nyo malalaman kung meron pa kayo apply, kung meron kayong alam sa Fish Capture NC2, kung meron kayo nalalaman tungkol sa mga proseso ng mga panghuli ng isda, ganon. So, dito sa Fish Capture NC2, dito nyo malalaman lahat ng skills and attitudes na kailangan nyo i-apply. So, this is your assessment. Kindly answer this in just 30 minutes. Thank you very much. So, I will now discuss to you the Fish Capture NC2. And ano ba yung pagkakaalam niyo sa Fish Capture NC2? Anyone? Okay, so since wala, so ang Fish Capture NC2 is dito natin matatalakay, dito natin ma-enhance yung mga kaya natin sa pagpapropagate, panguhuli, at pagpapalaki ng mga isda kung saan kinumulong natin sila. Diba? Fish capture, meaning capture. We capture the fish to propagate o mapadami sila. Saan ba sila pwedeng mapadami? Meron tayo fish pond, aquarium, diba? Sa mga ganun na mga facilities. So, meron din mga farms, diba? Doon natin sila ilalagay fish capture ang tawag doon. So, before doon at nalaman nyo na ang tungkol sa fish capture, yun lamang sa araw na ito at maraming salamat.